Hello and welcome to Easy Projects. So in this video I would like to talk about some news and some changes that would happen to the channel here. I would like to talk about some new projects that I plan to make, and I have made it so you can vote on which project you like the most. Someone has been asking or commenting on the earnings or economics on YouTube, so I'll address that. And also we will look at some statistics. But let us work down from the top of the list. So news and changes. I would like to increase the production value of the videos a bit. It's something that I really haven't paid much attention to in the past, but I realize that it is kind of important. It will never be like polished scripted videos, but I will try to at least plan my way out of it. I would like to change the way that I upload the videos. So if I make a smaller project, I will upload the video of the finished project first and kind of a cool video to show it off. And then as the series progresses, I will go into more and more detail. And if there's some detailed electronics topics, I will put them in a later video. I notice a lot of viewers just really want to see the thing working, not so much interested in all the theory and electronics behind. And these people kind of get annoyed to watch or check all the build steps and then just find out this is not the finished video yet. So to do those people a favor, I will put the finished video first and then break it down as the series progresses. Also, I would like to increase the audio quality a bit. I don't know if you noticed that in my new lab here, the audio is not really as good as it was before. Probably it's because of the bare, flat walls and ceiling. So I'd like to get some acoustic panels on there and perhaps upgrade my recording setup. I have made a list of new project ideas and I have posted it on my Patreon page, and everyone can go there to vote for the topics they like the most. You don't have to be a supporter to vote. I do believe you need an account though, but it's free to create that. One of the ideas, and the one that I was planning to make first, unless it gets really voted down, was an Arduino alarm system. Actually, I don't even think I put it on the list, but so I will probably make that next. It should be simply a do-it-yourself alarm system, not to replace any professional product, just to play around with. It should have all the like regular interfaces and perhaps RFID, control it with an app or something like that. Whatever I can think about. I ordered some parts for this already and I have most of them. I also really would like to make a project with this solar panel that I bought, which is currently collecting dust here against the wall. The idea was to make everything in the system myself. Obviously not the panel, but make a maximum power point charge controller. Make a battery pack somewhere, obviously buy the batteries, and then some kind of a power supply or converter that would make 24 or 12 volt DC, some fuses obviously, and then use this to power some garden lights, maybe some chargers or whatever I could decide to run from this. I think it could be a cool project that I could enjoy for many years. I think I just called this MPPT charge controller on the list. Perhaps I should make a better list. Another project is a DIY pick and place machine. I think that would probably be a big and challenging project, but also very interesting, so that's something I'm interested to make also. And I don't really remember the rest right now, but you can go and check the list. There will be a link in the video description. The way that I fund or pay for the projects on the channel here is mostly out of my own pocket, but I also use the the money that comes in from the YouTube ads and Amazon affiliate links, which I always have in the description. The Amazon affiliate links is something you can press if you buy anything on Amazon. Then I will get a small percentage of Amazon's earnings. It doesn't cost you anything, so that's a way to support for free. I also have a Patreon page, and I actually still have 3 Patreons on there, and thank you very much to you 3. I didn't expect to have anyone left after I didn't make videos for a long time, but I think I had 10 at some point in time, and I want to thank all of you, and then an extra thanks to the 3 that are still left. So if you would like to support the channel directly, that can be done through Patreon. The Patreon earnings are public, I didn't hide that. The YouTube earnings I think I can share. It's not really, I've seen many other people do that. It's basically around $115 per month average, a bit more in the holiday seasons. Unfortunately, I cannot really share the earnings from Amazon. I've heard people had trouble with them about many things, but it's substantially less than YouTube. I think I can say that. So the main income is these approximately $115, $120 per month from YouTube. It has been higher when I made a few like semi-viral videos. I had one with the 3D printer and one with the flashlight. At those periods it was about 2.5 times higher than this. And of course I have to pay taxes from this. I don't have a company set up for the YouTube channel. I think the earnings are too little for that to make sense. So I have to pay about 47% tax of all the income, which leaves me with about $60 to spend for the videos per month. So this month I spent it to buy a few SD cards for the camera. Or it could be used to buy a few Arduino products, for example, or components, for example, for the LED driver that I just made. That was around $15 in components, only because I couldn't buy less than 10. If I could, I didn't have to spend so much. If we look at the 10 most popular videos, this is in terms of earnings, but the view count is kind of similar. It turns out that it's not really the electronics videos that are popular. It's like the Chinese laser cutter, testing a laptop battery, the 3D printer video, and here also you see it's part 1 is the most viewed of these 3D printer videos. I didn't really do anything exciting in that. I just told about the project and chose the components. This is not really the video that I would like to get the most views, and that's why also I consider to rearrange the order that I upload the video. So I upload part 1 would be like showing off the project, or at least like a late state in the project where I have something working, and then the next videos would be how to make it, and also making circuit boards. I think this is an informative video. I don't mind this is high on the list. And also the rest is about the laser cutter, microwave, like charging the salvage battery, and so on. The Arduino videos always gets a lot of views. Of course I could do more with Arduino, but I don't really want to make tutorials because I don't use Arduino that much myself, and I think others are just much better to make those tutorials if they have years of experience. But I would like to make some projects with Arduino. So that was pretty much it for this video. I would like your feedback on the new projects, and I would also like your feedback on the production quality and length of the videos. If you have some comments about that, you can put it in the YouTube comments. And if you would like to support the channel, you can check out the links in the description. And if you don't want to support, that's fine also. You can just watch the videos. And if you're not using an ad blocker, I will still get some money for that. Even if you are using an ad blocker and don't want to support in any other ways, that's fine also. I make the videos free for everyone to watch, and I don't really have a problem with that. It's just an option for those who would like to support. And again, I am very thankful to those who do support. So this was just meant to be a quick update video, and if you like some of the new things that I plan, please give the video the thumbs up. If you dislike everything, just hit the thumbs down, and then please leave a comment saying what you think I can do better. I hope to see you in the next video, and until then, see you.